Hello everyone. Are you thinking about working abroad but unsure if it's worth it? Well, in today's video, I'll be telling you all the benefits of working in a foreign country while also turning what seemed like challenging into exciting opportunities. Stick around to learn why taking that leap could be one of the best decisions you ever make. Let's start with the positives. Working abroad can bring a tons of benefits both for your career and your personal growth. Let's break down some of the key reasons why people chose to work in another country. First up, career growth. Moving to a new country exposes you to different business practices, unique challenges, and diverse ways of thinking. This not only helps you to build new skills but also enhances your adaptability, a key trait that employers look for in leadership roles. Then there's the potential for a higher salary and better benefits. Many countries like Germany, Canada, or Australia offer competitive salaries, comprehensive healthcare, and attractive retirement plans, which can be a huge upgrade compared to what you might get in your home country. Next is broader perspective and networking. Working abroad opens up opportunities to build a global network of contacts. This is invaluable for your career, whether you choose to stay abroad or eventually return home. Another great benefit is the work-life balance. Countries like Sweden are renowned for their supportive work culture where employee well-being comes first. Imagine having more time to pursue your hobbies, spend with family, or just enjoy life. And finally, the emphasis on inclusivity and innovation. Many countries are committed to fostering diverse and inclusive workplaces. This creates an environment where different perspectives drive innovation, making work both exciting and rewarding. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but what about the challenges? Well, let's flip the script and see how each challenge of working abroad can actually turn into a hidden opportunity. Challenge number 1, culture and language barriers. Adapting to a new culture or learning a new language can be tough. But guess what? This is your chance to gain culture enrichment and build communication skills that make you more valuable in global marketplace. Plus, knowing another language is a huge asset. Next, being far from family and friends could make you feel homesick, but it also pushes you to build independence and create a new support network. You will meet people from all walks of life, form deep friendship, and who knows, maybe even find your tribe abroad. Then there's adapting to new systems like healthcare, taxes, and more. While this can feel overwhelming, it's a great way to enhance your problem solving and navigational skills. You will become more resourceful and confident in handling complex situations. Lastly, the fear of job market. Uncertainty can hold many people back, but this uncertainty teaches you to be flexible and versatile, skills that are incredibly valued in today's ever-changing job landscape. You learn to adapt, evolve, and stay ahead of the curve. So, ready to take the next step toward your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form. Link is in the description and pinned comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get expert advice tailored just for you. So, is working abroad worth it? Absolutely. It's not just about advancing your career, but also about growing as a person. The benefits are immense and the challenges are just stepping stones to becoming a more versatile and dynamic professional. If you're ready to explore your career opportunities abroad, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also drop a comment below with any questions or topics you would like us to cover next. Thank you for watching.